What's up, everyone? Welcome back to STYFLY Studio. Today, we are taking to the skies over the East Coast, bringing you a perspective of a city that beautifully balances deep-rooted cultural heritage with modern, bustling development. I recently took the DJI Avata up for a spin, capturing a fully 160-degree aerial from the eastern side of Kota Bharu, Kelantan. This is a continuous 4-minute flight sequence showcasing the vibrant pulse of the city, the winding paths of the Kelantan River, and the unique architecture that defines this historic town. Get ready, fire up those props, and let's dive into the narration. We kick off today's flight with a smooth climb into the crisp Kelantan morning air. As the DJI Avata tuts through the sky, the eastern horizon of Kota Bharu opens up before us. From up here, you immediately notice how the city breathes, a dense, lively urban center seamlessly meeting patches of lush, tropical greenery. Kota Bharu isn't just a city, it's the cultural heartbeat of Kelantan. Looking out towards the east, you can see the commercial hubs beginning to wake up, with the early morning traffic starting to trace lines across the main avenues. The 360 view allows us to appreciate the sheer scale of development that has quietly transformed this town over recent years. As we glide deeper into the eastern sector, look closely at the architectural tapestry below. Kota Bharu has this incredible knack for blending the old with the new. You'll see modern multi-story apartments and commercial complexes standing proudly alongside classic, intricately designed Kelantanese rooftops. The DJI Avata's agility lets us navigate just above the tree line, giving us an intimate look at the bustling streets. From this vantage point, you can spot the colorful markets and the distinct Islamic design influences integrated into the facades of the city's newer landmarks. It's a fast-growing city, yet it refuses to lose its identity. Panning slightly towards the wider landscape, the majestic Sungai Kelantan comes into view, framing the edge of our flight path. This river is lifeblood of the state, and seeing it from a bird's eye view really puts the geography of Kota Bharu into perspective. The contrast is stunning. On one side, you have the energetic, high-density city life, and just across the water, or stretching out into the eastern suburbs, a peaceful, traditional way of life continues. The drone's wide 360 field of view captures this harmony perfectly, showing how the city expands outward while remaining anchored to its natural landscape. As our battery starts to run low, we begin our descent, sweeping over the rooftops one last time. Flying the Avata over Kota Bharu gives you a brand new appreciation for the East Coast. It's vibrant, it's progressive, yet it remains deeply proud of its roots. If you enjoyed this aerial journey over Kelantan, you know what to do. Smash that like button. Leave a comment down below on which city or mega structure we should fly over next. And don't forget to subscribe to STYFLY Studio for more epic drone content. Until the next flight, I'm signing off. Peace.